Hello guys, we are still bringing you updates from Ifeanyi Ubah's burial. So this is E-Money and Obi Cubana. They came all the way from Lagos to Nnewi, Anambra State to attend the funeral ceremony of late Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. Ifeanyi Ubah Madoha. He is a man of the people. That is why so many personalities came for his burial. So when Ifeanyi Ubah was alive, he played so many roles in the lives of Ndi Igbo, both Ndi Igbo in Lagos and every other place, even across the world. He came to their aid when they needed help, both those in business, those in the market, just everybody. That is why today prominent men, personalities from different corners of the world and the country are here in Nnewi to witness the burial of Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah and to mourn with his family, because Ifeanyi Ubah was indeed a great man. He was indeed a man of the people. So watch this video and see how Obi Cubana and E-Money attended the burial in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria.
The magic selector. Hey, big brother,